Today, I'll show you how to create a poll in Microsoft Forms directly from Outlook so you can quickly gather feedback without sending people to a separate survey link. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to add a simple, professional-looking poll to your emails in just a few clicks. Let's start from your computer inside Microsoft Outlook. Make sure you're signed in with the account you want to use and that Outlook is fully open, not minimized. It doesn't matter whether you're on your inbox, sent items, or another folder, as long as you can create a new email. First, create a new email message. You can do this by clicking the new email button, usually at the top left of the Outlook window. A blank email window will open. Before adding the poll, it's a good idea to set up the basics of your message. Type in your recipients, or at least one test address if you're just trying this out. Add a clear subject line so people know what the poll is about. For example, quick feedback needed or meeting time poll. You can also add a short introductory sentence in the body, such as please take a moment to vote in the poll below. This helps your recipients understand why they're receiving the poll and encourages them to respond. Now that your draft email is ready, it's time to insert the poll. Look at the toolbar at the top of the email window and find the Insert tab. Click Insert, and within that menu, look for the option labeled Poll. It might appear as Poll or Add a Poll, depending on your Outlook version. When you click it, Outlook will open a panel, typically on the right side of the window, where you can build your poll using Microsoft Forms. In this panel, you'll see a space to enter your poll question. Type your question clearly and keep it focused on a single idea, such as which date works best for our meeting, or which option do you prefer for our team event. Below the question, you'll see fields for answer choices. Enter each option you want people to choose from. For example, if you're scheduling a meeting, you might list different dates or times. If you need more than 2 options, use the button in the poll builder to add additional choices until you have everything covered. As you're entering your question and options, make sure there are no spelling mistakes and that each option is easy to understand. Short, specific options usually get better responses. You can also think about whether you want people to select only one option or multiple options, depending on what Outlook and Microsoft Forms allow in your version. Once you're satisfied with your question and all the options, the poll is ready to be added to your email. The preview in the panel will show how it will look to your recipients. When everything looks good, the poll will automatically embed into the body of your email as a small interactive form or a link with choices depending on your setup. Now you're ready to send the email to collect responses. Give your message one last review, confirm that the recipients and subject line are correct, then click send. Your recipients will receive the email with the embedded poll and they can respond directly from their inbox. Their answers are captured through Microsoft Forms and you'll be able to review the results from within Forms or through the link provided by Outlook, making it easy to see everyone's responses in one place.